Hey, it's 9 News meteorologist Corey Reppenhagen with a quick look at your forecast, where Monday afternoon's high temperatures will once again be approaching the 50-degree mark. But I think this time, unlike Sunday, these 50s will actually feel like 50s. If we only make it to 49 on Monday, you could say that Monday's 49 may feel better than Sunday's 53, and it's all because of the winds. There will still be breezy, but not anything like we saw on Sunday. Now, we do have another storm system already moving in, and it'll start to get here right after we reach our high temperatures. Let's take a look at the computer forecast model. This is Monday at noon. You see some showers up there in the high country, still pretty light, some cloud cover, but also some sunshine along the front range. As we go into about 1 o'clock, 1:30, 2 o'clock, that's when we'll hit the high temperature, about 49, 50 degrees. But you'll start to see up here to the north that next storm system start to impact us, kind of forming a nice little band of showers here, kind of light at first, but this could start to develop, especially along Interstate 80 from Cheyenne out to Laramie. So if you're traveling on Interstate 80, this could impact you. But as we go through the night, this band of showers may start to drift a little bit. And if it does, I wouldn't expect it to kind of hold together because of the dry downsloping air that we have. I think if anything, we get some light showers, maybe some flurries. No real accumulation expected here on the lower front range. Maybe just up along the Wyoming state line, we could get some accumulation. If you take a look at the snow forecast here, you see even this is the European model, not showing any accumulation, even though we could see a light shower. Most likely just a flurry along the foothills, perhaps there on Monday, late Monday into Tuesday morning, and even the mountain accumulation is going to be pretty light. But we will have another shot Tuesday afternoon into Wednesday morning, so it looks like about the same situation. I'm not really expecting any real accumulation or major impact on this. So we are here with in the Denver area, kind of lacking in the snow really since that big Halloween storm, and so we're currently up to 10.8 inches of snow for the season, and on average we would normally be at 15.1 inches here on December 10th. So that average is starting to really go up away from where we're at. Not a big concern because we can really make up the difference here in one storm easy, just 5 inches away. The difference though, in the high country, even though we've made some really big gains, that average continues to go up very quickly until April. But look at this. This is the current snowpack situation. We're still 17% below average, but that is a huge gain in a short amount of time. That's a good 30% increase since the first part of December. So these last few weeks have been really great to get these snowpack numbers up closer to average. The problem is we're going to enter another long, dry spell for the mountains and the front range. Let's take a look. Here's the jet stream pattern computer simulation here starting December 14th, which is Thursday. This is the storm system that's moving through on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Just a weak system, kind of impact with light weak winter storm impacts here in Colorado. And as that thing moves out slowly by about Thursday, look what happens here behind it. We get this little bit of a ridge, a western ridge, and that is going to very likely keep us free from any major storm impacts for a good long spell. Let's put the computer forecast model into motion as far as it goes out here to December 19th. You see we're still kind of under that ridge of high pressure. So we're really not expecting anything from Thursday all the way into next Tuesday. So that's a nice long stretch, dry and warm conditions on the front range and in the mountains. We'll watch the next batch of storm activity, kind of a batch of disturbance that may try to develop and come our way starting on December 20th. So if that does kind of develop, we may see some winter storm impacts here, at least in the mountains once again here for Christmas week, really December 20th into the 25th. So that's the kind of the long range situation that we're watching. Long dry spell, possible setup for some winter storm activity around Christmas time. So that's kind of the long range thing that we're watching here. Here's the 7-day forecast, the way it looks here. Weak disturbance here for most of all of Colorado, Tuesday and Wednesday. Then Thursday, that's when really we open the door, and this really looks a high chance here for some warm, sunny conditions starting out for next weekend. So that's the long range forecast. Enjoy your week and have a good one.